Hi, my name is Sharon. You're going to get a crash course in the sewing machine today. This is the most basic of sewing machines. You do not need a big fancy sewing machine to learn how to sew. The two basic stitches that you need are your straight stitch and your zigzag. You get your machine threaded, follow your little arrows on there. Thread your needle. Your needle always threads from the front to the back. There is a flat side on your needle. Put it in, thread your needle, wind your bobbin, put it in your bobbin case. There is a slit there with a little tab on top. Put it in, put the slit and the tab, you'll feel a click. Hold this little thing and this point goes right up in there. It only fits in one way. And you need your bobbin and the top thread to sew because it takes one from the top and one from the bottom and they lock. To get the bobbin thread up, you turn your hand wheel towards you one time. And there's your bobbin thread. Now we're going to put this back on here. This, there we go, has got straight stitches on it. This is the first one. The stitches are very, very close together. After you get your needle threaded, you want to look down under here, these little teeth sticking up here. This is called your feed dog. This is what is going to feed your material in there so that you don't need to force it or pull it through. It will do all the work for you. You always keep your material to the left of the machine. And you want to put this under here. Make sure your presser foot is down. And then you hit your gas pedal. That's your first stitch. We're going to do the second one. And the only difference between the first one and the second one is the stitch length, which I will show you when I finish. Then you have the third one. The stitches are going to be even longer. Same stitch. This is a straight stitch. On this machine, the stitches are preset. On some machines, you can adjust your stitch length and your stitch width. And then these are very, very close, medium, and these are longer. Then we're going to do your zigzag. On this machine, it's the same way. You have your small. And I'm using green thread so you can actually see the stitches on your machine, which you do want to do that so that you can see what the stitches actually look like. See, it's not moving very fast. That's because the stitches are so close together. Now I'm going to do the second one. These are going to be wider. These are your two most basic stitches right here. And then you have the third one, which is even wider. And so you can see how close they are here. They get a little bit wider, and then they get wider here. These are preset on this machine. Okay, now the next stitch we're going to do is the 3-step zigzag, which is one of my favorites. I use this on almost all the kits. And it sews beautiful on stretch fabrics, especially stretch fabrics. And if you look closely, you can actually see the sewing machine sewing 3 left and 3 right, 3 left and 3 right. As opposed to this zigzag, which the needle only makes 1 stitch and it goes left, right, left, right. Your straight stitches. When you cross or intersect a seam, you want to hit this button, which is your back stitch, which basically is like driving your car in reverse. And it reinforces it so that your seam doesn't pull out. Another one of my favorite stitches are the blind hem, which this is done on a flat piece of fabric. I'll show you how to do it the correct way. This one is from the right. And this is what that looks like when you get your rolled hem.